Many people ask me or want to make money with mobile apps. And I have some reasonably popular mobile apps, and people ask me how to do it, and they want to get into this business because it's a very like shiny object, right? Because like, oh, if you sell a trinket, it's boring, right? But if you have an app, it's kind of cool. There's like a coolness factor to it, right? And the coolness factor and the hype gets people excited. The challenge with the apps is that they're expensive to make. If you're a developer, it takes you a while to make a good app, and if you have to hire a developer, then you have to pay them a lot of, hire them for many hours. So it's expensive either way. And guess what? There's a couple of very real challenges on the apps with the apps. Is that guess what? People playing games or using apps, they hate paying for apps, right? So the app is like has to really solve some need for people to pay. I mean, most people are not going to want to pay. And the other thing is that there's more and more and more apps every day out there. So it's just getting super crowded, and it's hard to stand out for a new app, especially if you're making a game. Like half of the app developers, they make games. Like literally half, at least that I talk to, they make games. And games are incredibly difficult to promote because guess what? All the games are the same. Adventure, run, shoot, fly, right? I mean, what else are you going to do? So there's like a million puzzles. So like incredibly difficult to promote, right? Because you can be literally competing with like a million of other similar things, some of which are backed by $1 billion or $1 million companies which can outmarket you. And that's game over. So very difficult to make a successful app. So it's possible. There are some good monetization strategies. It's like subscription model works well with the apps, but very, very difficult space. So think through it if you're starting.